Ever wanted to make your own videos funny like the ones you see on the internet? Well, now you can with some simple effects in Wondershare Filmora. Let's see how we can get it done and get this exact effect. Go ahead and import both of the videos onto your project, and now we're going to click and drag them to put them onto the timeline. First video, and make sure to choose Match to Media so that we get a vertical project instead of a horizontal one. Drag the second video right after. You can choose the order that you want. This effect is really simple. All you need to do is to head over to the Effects menu right here. Just go to the search bar right here and type in Toad Face. This is the effect that we're looking for. It's an AR sticker. So you can just download it right here and place it onto your video. There are other options as well. If you want to explore the other options, you can scroll down to the AR sticker section, and we have a lot of other options to choose from. I'm just going to choose this one for one video and then the sad face for another. So in the first video, we have this person who's playing a game, but she's frustrated because she lost. So we can go ahead and switch these effects during the video. So for the first half, she could have this effect, and the second half, she could have this effect. Because first she's angry and then she's sad. Move through the video until the point where she is upset, which is right over here. Split the video, and we're just going to put this up in the second track so it's easier and more organized. Drag the toad face effect directly onto your video, and now this is what she looks like. In the second half where she is upset, you can go ahead and add another effect or keep this effect. I will go with this sad face because she is upset. And now we have this other effect. For the next video, we have a person who is upset and they're tearing up the paper. This is a great time to either use the toad face effect or you can use the square face. So you can use any of these. I will use this effect, Big Mouth number 2. It goes well with the anger that the person has, and you can add other effects as well. I went ahead and added the square face effect, so now I have 2 AR stickers onto this one video. If you double click on that video, go to effect, you can see we have 2 instead of 1. So you can combine these 2 together. Just make sure that they do not overlap, so we have one for the face and one for the mouth. If I had 2 effects that both affect the face, it's going to look a little weird. So choose one sticker for one section and another one that's affecting a different part of your video. Let's take a look at the effects. That was the first effect. This is the second effect, where she's upset. And for the other video, we just have 2 effects compiled together to get this funny look. You could stop here, or you can go ahead and add some overlays to match the theme of the video. So the first video, we have game, so you can add some cool overlays and filters to make it look more funny. Let's look for game. I will use this one fancy game pack overlay, drag it right on top, just to make the video look more epic. We're going to use this. And at the same time, I'm going to slowly zoom in on this character. Go to the start of your video, double click, go to animation, customize, and we're going to add a keyframe at this normal frame. So without touching anything, we're creating a keyframe. You can see there's this blue circle. At the end of our video, we're going to scale inwards. So just grab one of these and just zoom in on your character. You can also use position X and Y to kind of bring her face to the center. And there we go. Just make sure that when you're scaling, this guy is locked. This is unlocked right now. Make sure it's blue so that you're moving the scale X and Y at the same time. And over here where she lost the game and she's upset about it, maybe we can go ahead and add a rain effect. to make it look as if she's really upset. I will use the Cinematic Filters pack right here. Just drag it right on top of the second half. We can also add a bluish filter to make it even more sad. Just type in blue. I will use this effect, Movie Colors Pack Blue, drag that right on top. Make sure to bring the rain effect above the blue effect so that we can see those white lines a lot more clear. There we go. And now it looks a lot better. For the second video, you can also do the same thing. So here he's really angry. Maybe we can just add a really intense effect. So let's go to effects again and look for shake. You can use one of these. I think I'll go with this one. Shake It Up Pack Volume 2. Drag it on top of your video. So it looks pretty intense. You can of course stack these videos and effects on top. You can also search mild in the effects menu to get a mild shake. Drag that on top. And now the video is going to shake as this person is really angry. You can add a red filter to make it even more intense. Search for red. Modern crunch filter added on top. Double click to adjust the opacity. And hit OK. Now the reason why we're using red instead of colors like blue or green is because scientifically we humans associate red or any color that's close to red with anger and extreme emotions in human faces. So when we're putting this red overlay, we are suggesting that this person is really angry. Putting an overlay like this is going to help deliver the message better than if you were to just not put any overlays. Just like how we used red in the second video to show that the person is really angry, we also used blue in the first video to show that this person is sad. So colors can really help enhance the emotions that are inside your video, and I highly recommend adding a color that is associated with the expressions that are in your clips. I'm just going to render this clip and we can then take a look at the final product where we took 2 regular videos, added some AR stickers and filters, and in the end we're able to fully express the emotions that these 2 people are feeling in the video with some simple techniques in Wondershare Filmora. And now we're left with this video. And that's how easy you can create those meme-like effects using Wondershare Filmora. Let's work together and create the same style.